Okay, so I did some clearing back here, back to this camper, way deep in the woods, because I wanted to check it out. It's going to take a ridiculous amount of clearing to be able to pull this thing out of here if it's in good condition. Anybody wants it. Free if you want it. Otherwise, if I get somebody in here with big power equipment, I'll just have them destroy it. You can already tell from the outside it's not in the best of shape, and it's damage right there. Oh boy, more trash back here. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. So far I've been lucky enough not to encounter any snakes or rodents or anything. Oh, there's a wasp up there in the ceiling, so there's probably a nest in here. So I'm not going to go in, but yeah, this is trashed. The ceiling's caved in, and it's disgusting. I don't think anybody wants this. Big old spider nest hanging in the middle of the hallway. Yeah, this is trash. I mean, if you want it, you can have it, but I think it's trash. It's all yours. So. All right. Look at that. There's a propane tank on there. I can take that off and trade it in for a full one. Sweet. All right. Well, I'm exhausted, and I got a 90-minute drive home. You guys have a good day. I'm gonna go home, feed the pups, and probably pass out. See ya.